Hello friends, myself Mukesh Patel from Atmiya Institute of Technology and Science for Diploma Studies. Welcome to my YouTube channel Explore Technology. Today we will discuss the topic stack and operation of stack. First we will see what is linear and non-linear data structure. A data structure is said to be linear if its data store sequentially in the memory location. If the data are stored in continuous memory location, we can call it is a linear. Examples are arrays, stack, queues, linked list, etc. And in the other case, when the data are not stored in continuous memory, then it is called nonlinear data structure. Examples are trees and graph. First we will see what is stack and the two operation push and pop operation of stack. A stack is a data structure in which elements are added or inserted and removed or deleted from only one end, that is in the last in first out. That means the element which is inserted last will be deleted first. For an example, in real life, stack of plates on counter in cafeteria during time of dinner, customer takes plates from top of the stack and waiter puts the worst plate on the top of the stack. Then we'll see what are the operation of stack. Generally, there are three basic operations. They are push, pop and pick. When an element is inserted on the top of the stack is called push operation. When an element is deleted from the top of the stack is called pop operation. And when you returns the value of the topmost element is called pick operation. Next we will see the push operation. The push operation is used to insert an element in the stack. Whenever we are inserting a new element, it is always inserted at the topmost position of the stack. For that, we have to check whether the top is equal to max minus 1 or not. We have to check whether stack is full or not. And whenever we are inserting an element when the stack is already full, then it is overflow conditions. For an example, this is a stack. There are 5 elements in this stack, and now the top position is on the 4th position starting from 0. Whenever we want to insert an element, then we have to increment the top value, that is top is equal to top plus 1, that is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, then inserting the new element on the stack. Then we will see the algorithm for push operation. In the first step, we have to check whether top is greater than n or not, that is maximum value. And if it is maximum value, we have to print that stack is overflow. Then increment the top pointer, that is top is equal to top plus 1, and perform the insert operation, that is s of top is equal to x, the element to be inserted. Next we will see the pop operation, that is delete operation. The pop operation is used to delete the topmost element from the stack. But before deleting the value or element, we have to check whether top is equal to null or not, because we cannot delete any element when the stack is empty. But whenever we are attempting a delete operation when the stack is empty, then it is an underflow condition. Let's take one example. There are 5 elements and the top position is 4th. Whenever we want to delete an element, we have to decrement the top value, that is top is equal to top minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3, and the corresponding element will be deleted. Next we will see the algorithm of pop operation. First we have to check the underflow condition. If top is equal to 0 or top is equal to -1, we have to print stack is underflow. And then if it is not underflow condition, that means we can remove an element from the stack. That we have to assign the value from the top of the stack, then decrement the top pointer, that is top is equal to top -1, and write the value, the element which is deleted. So thank you friends for watching this video.